Hello everyone, this is Kathryn from WinPure again. So where did I leave you last time? I left you looking at the matrix, learning about splitting, merging, standardizing, converting and removing bad, noisy, dirty, potentially incorrect data. So I'm still staying on the matrix at the moment. We haven't finished with all the functionality. I wanted to go in depth into Word Manager. Now, Word Manager is a really neat, smart tool. So you'll remember find and replace. This is find and replace with bells and knobs on, okay? What you can do in Word Manager is build your own library. So for example, let me cancel that one, where we've got a company name. Now, when you get into matching and you get into deduplication, you have to always remember that the system is looking at the information you're giving it. So as you can see on this screen, if my data says limited LTD in some areas, but limited in full in other areas, when I'm doing fuzzy matching, that's not going to work very well. INC instead of incorporated is a whole different string. So the Word Manager allows you to build your own records about how you want your data to be corrected, to be standardized. You might want it all LTD instead of the full limited, or the other way around. So you can create your entire Word Manager list in here and obviously save this so that you can use it again at a different date. And you can do this against all different column headings. So IDs, if you knew that one ID had been changed, because it had been updated in your systems and you want to use a different ID when you find that ID in your data, you can do it in here. If some people use the state as NY instead of New York, again, you could decide that you want all the states to be conformed to the letters or to the full word. So you've got a really powerful tool here to get your data into a situation that before we even get to matching, we know that the results are going to be good because we're on a level playing field with our data from the start, which really helps you out. So Word Manager, again, another function within the matrix, along with the shifting. But now you can see this entire matrix can be built around your specification, your requirements, how you want your customers to be presented to, and how you want your data within the organization. And then what do we do after all of that? We run clean. It's as simple as that. Next time I'm going to go into data deduplication and matching and fuzzy matching and exact matching. So do come back and we'll see you again soon. Cheers for now.